Hello traders and welcome back to the market Crux. First day of the year and wish you all a very happy new year. I wish you have all the success in trading for this year. And let's get started with our usual content. So I'll be analyzing Bank Nifty and one stock for tomorrow. And let's get started with Bank Nifty. So this is the daily chart of Bank Nifty. If you have seen on Friday, we have seen a inside bar. This was a very big bullish candle on Thursday, and then we saw a follow through selling candle over here. So now if you see your key decision points or key level will be 43,500, the high of this mother candle over here. So let's just quickly mark 43,500 is on the upper side. Round number, once again, a very important significance when you see a round number as a high or a low of a candle. And 42,500 is on the lower side. So this was a 1,000 point range candle and we have seen an inside bar candle. Okay, so on a higher time frame now you need to be taking this into consideration that any side breakout of this mother candle will be a big move basically of about minimum 1,000 to 1,200 points once again. So that is for the positional thing. We will be moving on to a shorter time frame for a intraday kind of setup basically. So this is hourly time frame now, and if you see carefully hourly, we have two important things to take care of over here. So this is again one of the higher time frame for the uh, intraday traders basically. Okay, so this is not for positional anymore. For intraday traders, this is a higher time frame, and if you see, this is a bearish flag structure being made over here by Bank Nifty. Okay, so this is your bearish flag, and any breakdown below this flag would be causing a downwards trend continuation basically. However, if you carefully watch, let me just move it on a slightly lower time frame, and on the 15-minute time frame what is happening over here is that you would see a exact opposite bullish flag. Now this is getting interesting actually, because you on a shorter time frame you are getting a bullish flag, on a higher time frame you have a bearish flag making. All right, so now this makes a, let me just slightly make it more clearer. So this is how your flags would look like. This is your bearish flag, this is your bullish flag right now, and on Monday what is going to happen tomorrow is that either side breakout of this triangle pattern over here. This is a triangle now, this is a symmetrical triangle, and you will be having a breakout either side happening tomorrow. So what we are supposed to trade now actually, because if market opens within this range and consolidates for another 10, 15, 20 minutes, it will be a tremendous breakout tomorrow either side. Okay, so let it break out on the upper side. This will make it a perfect trade actually. If it breaks out something like this, test the swing high, test this trend line once again, and move towards the high of Friday. So this will be your perfect long side trade on Bank Nifty. Shorter time frame, I would prefer to go long, keeping the stop loss below this trend line, and you will be getting 1 good is to 2 risk to reward ratio trade over here. So your entry will be at 43,100 odd levels, 115 odd levels. Keep it noted. Your stop loss for this trade will be 42,975, and the target would be 43,475. So these three levels you need to keep on track, and this is how your trade will form basically. What can happen otherwise is, since it is a symmetrical triangle, longer time frame is bearish, we might see a bearish breakdown like this as well. In both cases you will be having good trades. So if this happens, in that scenario you will be going short in Bank Nifty. Shorting level would be below this area over here. So 42,919, which was slightly below, this is slightly below than the stop loss of our long trade. So this will be your entry level 42,919. Stop loss will be 43,088, and your first profit target will be 42,537 or 35 odd levels. Note these levels as well, and this will be the swing low over here, which was the low of Friday's session as well. So this makes it a good short side trade, both direction possible for Bank Nifty tomorrow. And if it consolidates in the opening sessions, chances will be even better of a breakout or a breakdown, and accordingly market will move further. So this is what we have to take care of: longer time frame bearish structure, shorter time frame bullish structure. So on a short time frame, since we are going to be intraday traders, 5-minute time frame is what you are going to trade. If a break on the upper side happens, that's more likely and more probable scenario you should be referring to. So this is how your Monday looks like, the opening session for Bank Nifty. Let's quickly move on to the Nifty. Now, if in case of Nifty there is a clear structure, not like Bank Nifty where we are having a bias on the both sides, Nifty looks more on the bearish side basically. Looking at the scenario right now, you have a higher low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and a lower low can also be made in coming days. This is a daily chart, not for the intraday but for the positional traders. 17,665 is a possibility that Nifty might test during January series. So this is what we need to keep in mind. However, on the longer side, once again, if you see this bearish flag is happening over here, which has been tested many a times. So let me just move on to the shorter time frame now. A 30-minute time frame says that okay, you are in a bearish trend right now. Okay, a bearish flag is being formed. This is swing high, this is swing low, and if I draw a Fibonacci, you will find that we could not even sustain a 61.8% retracement, and that's thereon there is a clear selling pressure basically. This was Friday session. Complete full day it was a selling pressure session. So I am a bit doubtful about the long side on Nifty now. So we need to be careful on the long side. I'll be much more comfortable placing trades on the short side in Nifty. So let me just move on to the 15-minute time frame. What kind of formation is there? If you see, this was a clear strong bearish candle on 15-minute time frame on Friday. Any break below this area would inject more confidence into bears, and accordingly you can take your short side trades as well. Okay, so this is how it will be. Long side not recommended in Nifty until and unless it sustains and show some strength basically. But in this case right now, for the intraday trading, what you can do is move on to the 5-minute time frame. Okay, we are going into the shorter time frame now to form our short side trade. Of course, below this trend line you should be taking your short entry, keeping the stop loss just above this consolidation area, like 6 candles of 5-minute if you see over here. And your first profit target will be this swing low over here. Okay, so this is the zone from where Nifty has shown some strength. We will be looking for first profit target up to this area only, which will be 1:6 risk reward ratio trade. Your entry will be at 18,080 odd levels. You will be placing stop losses 18,121, and your profit target will be 18,018. This will be perfect intraday trade if you see a breakdown of in Nifty on Monday like this. So this zone can be very well tested over here, and 18,015 would be the base zone. 18,020 odd levels should be your profit target. So this is for Nifty. Not recommending any long trade in Nifty. Let the intraday happen basically. If you see that strongly Nifty is sustaining, and especially if this big red candle is completely negated, you find a bullish candle, a gap up opening, continuation of the long side trade, then above 18,205 odd levels you can plan for a long entry in Nifty, not before that. Each upside move will be once again sold off because of this strong bearish candle and a continuous strong bearish move on Friday. So don't go into that mode of contradicting the market and buying into the lows. Not going to work. Stock which I have shortlisted for Monday is Mahindra and Mahindra. M&M looks bearish on the chart right now. If you see, this is the Fibonacci. And if you see 61.8 retracement has been failed, we are now below 50% retracement. Good short side continuation on 30-minute time frame. Let me just move on 15 minutes so that we can plan for our trade. If you see, this was a consolidation area, strong consolidation area, and stock has jumped from this area once again on Friday. So our trade will be mark the level. Basically this will be your level. Let a 5-minute candle sustain below 1245 odd levels. Thereon you will be taking a short trade. So your 1245 will be your entry. Keep a 50% above, just 50% retracement. This red line is 50% Fibonacci retracement. Your stop loss will be just above this. It makes it a 16-point stop loss, and we will be targeting the low of this area actually, which will be 1230 odd level. So approximately 15 points. We have about 8 to 9 points stop loss and 15 points profit target for Mahindra and Mahindra, which makes it a good intraday trade. So this much is for today. Let's continue with our analysis in coming videos. If you like the content, please like the video, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.